How to make a viral video like this? First, delete the default cube and then add a sphere. Scale it a bit. Then, add a plane and scale it as needed. Now give the plane subdivision. Set the subdivision type to simple. Select the sphere, go to the physics tab and set it to collision. Select the plane and set it to cloth in the physics tab. Right now the plane isn't simulating properly, but when you increase the subdivision level, it will work. So give it as many subdivisions as needed. I've set it to 5. Now play the animation again and yeah, see, the plane is simulating properly now. Select the plane again, go to the cloth section and turn self collision on. And now our plane is simulating perfectly. Now give the plane one more subdivision to make it smoother. Now add a camera and set the angle. Then go to the render options, set the render engine to cycles and change the device to GPU. After that, add lights. Now add a cube, go into edit mode and delete the front face. Set it up and then use Ctrl+B to bevel the cube. Now give your object some colors and apply modifiers, but don't apply the cloth modifier. Before rendering, bake the plane. For that, go to the physics tab, then under cloth, go to the cache section and click bake. Adjust your render settings and then hit render. And here's our final result.